Students, in the sequence of supplementary book movements, we shall discuss next chapter, Adventure of Toto. Adventure of Toto was written by Ruskin Bond. Already I have told you about Ruskin Bond that he lives in Missouri. Near Missouri there is a place, Landover. Actually he lives there in that place, Landover. He was born on 19 May 1934 in Kasauli. His parents were living in the state of Jamnagar. He got his education from Bishop Cotton School, Simla. So many movies and TV shows are made on his work as Sat Khoon Maaf, The Blue Umbrella, The Black Cat, Ek Tha Rashti, etc. He got many awards also as Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan awards. His father's name was Andrew Bond and his mother was Edith Clark. Now let us come on the lines of the lesson. Grandfather bought Toto from a tanga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. Grandfather here relates to the grandfather of narrator. Grandfather of narrator bought one of the monkey named Toto, and he bought that monkey from one of the tanga driver. After paying rupees 5, he paid rupees 5 to buy that monkey Toto from a tanga driver. The tanga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. He kept that monkey with him. He tied that monkey with one of the small trough. Feeding trough is one of the part in which food was given to the monkey. Usually trough are made with cement, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. The little monkey looked so out of place. It seemed to the narrator that the monkey was not at its proper situation, so he decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. He took decision to buy that monkey and keep it in his zoo that he owned himself. Toto was a pretty monkey. Toto was one of the beautiful monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief. His eyes were shining and they shone with harms. Mischief means harm. He made some harms beneath deep set eyebrow. Where were his eyes? Inside the sockets of eyes. And his teeth, which were pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. And his teeth, which were a pearly white. So far as his teeth is concerned, his teeth were as white as pearl. Pearl is one of the gem. It is white in color. But very often displayed in a smile. He used to show his teeth as it seemed he was smiling, but his smile was fearsome for the ladies, elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. Elderly Anglo-Indian ladies became fearful seeing his teeth when he showed. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun. Although he was looking beautiful, but his hands were not beautiful. His hands were as dry as it seemed that his hands were dried as pickle in the sun. As the pickle is dried in the sun, so it seemed that his hands also were dried in sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and big. Although his fingers, he used those dry fingers very fast and big. They were full of mischief. They were mischievous. And his tail, while adding to his good looks. So far as his tail is concerned, he looked more beautiful because of his tail. Also served as a third hand. He used his tail as a third hand. He would use it to hang from a branch. Sometimes he used his tail to hang from the boughs of tree, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. And he was able to use his tails to lift any of the delicious thing that he could not reach through his hands. Scooping means lifting. I think the lines of these paragraphs are clear. Now see the question that you will attempt at your home. So question number first, from where did grandfather buy the monkey Toto? Next question, describe Toto in short. Last question, how did Toto use his tails? I think you will attempt these questions at your home. Thank you.